Hey everyone, good afternoon to you. Brandon here at Quillflower Gravel Thorn here in Louisville, Nebraska, home of Gadsden Hauler, and we are continuing to go through a bit slowly through the Gadsden Hauler Christmas album. How are y'all doing? It's been a while, like 4 or 5 days since I've been able to be with you. I keep saying I'm going to do one the next day, and it's just not happening. This has been the roughest work week I think I've ever had. So between my technically 4 jobs I do right now this time of the year, 2 full-time, it's just been terrible. So anyway, today though, I'm off from my main one here in the afternoon, so get to sit down and enjoy this with you. Can you believe it? It is, 6 days before Christmas now. It's crazy. And these flames, it may look intense. I promise you it's not as bad as what it looks there on the camera there. So today, as you can see, as a lot of you know, I am a devout Iowa State Cyclones fan. See behind me my Chicago Cubs flag, big baseball fan, Cubs during the summer. During the rest of the year, it's my Cyclones, football and basketball. Wrestling's doing well this year. Both the men's and women's teams are doing great. Got top 10 teams, so things going great there, both undefeated. But, as many of you know, my wife is an Oklahoma Sooner fan. And you may have been following along, Iowa State not playing a bowl game due to injuries and Matt Campbell leaving the program to go to Penn State. But I'm looking for this new coach, Jimmy Rogers. What a fireball coming in from Washington State. But as it sits, the team voted not to play in a bowl game. So, the Sooners in my household, my adopted team for the rest of the college football season, they play a big game tonight, college football playoff, playing Alabama. I'm thinking Sooners going to win big. I'm saying right now, folks, I'm saying Sooners by 17. Defense is amazing. They're playing at home. No way they're going to lose this game in Norman. It's probably going to be a lot closer than what I think, but I'm going big, and I'm saying Sooners, not just by double digits, but by 17. Okay, the song we're going to preview today, in honor of bowl season, Blizzard Bowl. This one was a lot of fun to put together. It's just a goofy man song, something for the season. And as I mentioned earlier on, when I outlined this album, I wanted it to be a progression from Black Friday all the way to New Year's. And so this song, Blizzard Bowl, not necessarily, something with Christmas, but it certainly falls within that season. And I always associate bowl games with holidays, and sadly the bowl games kind of dying out due to the playoff and NIL and how messed up the system is. Have you seen some of these bowl games? Just not good matchups, and you got more and more teams backing out, like Iowa State, I mentioned, Notre Dame, but boy, Notre Dame really had a lame excuse, but really no excuse. So anyway, before I get to the song, we got to do our Christmas cheer. Our selection here, we're going with the Upslope Brewing Company. They're out of Boulder. Got another IPA here, brewed of Spruce Tips. This is the Spruce Tip IPA. Now in the past, whenever I've had Spruce things, Spruce brews, I've really enjoyed them. So we will see here. 7.5%, so that's really up there for I would say mid-range IPA. I don't know, I have no idea, but it's more percent than most of the stuff we got on the tree so far. So let's try it out here. Definitely has that spruce aroma to it. That's good. That's good. I mean, if you don't like the thought of a spruce taste. You're not going to like this. The ingredients, this is what it says on here. Snow malt, Simcoe hops, Cascade hops, spruce tips, orange peel, and yeast. I definitely get the orange peel in there, and like I said, the spruce in there for sure. I'm gonna give that a 3.5 on Untappd. Okay, let's get to the song, folks. Blizzard Bowl. Go Sooners, Boomer, Sooner. This is for all you out there. Like I said, this is supposed to be just a comical man theme song for the album. And of course, really, I think the AI work on the video really hit it. So here you go. You all tell me.
It's a football dream. College game day crew keep us going all afternoon. We're throwing down bets, checking lines on the phone, talking smack about teams. Who's gonna get on? Popping caps on beers, snacks piled to the ceiling, cigars in the air. Yeah, we're living this feeling. Blizzard Bowl, let it snow, let it roll. Pass the cards like the Stogies feel the soul. Yellow snow outside, out the door, taking a leak. Back by the fire, boys, life's looking sweet. ESPN's rankings got us cussing and yelling. The playoff system's broke, but the vibe's still swelling. Blizzard Bowl, yeah, we're living it right. College football fever on a cold December night. Checking all the scores, who's up, who's down. Bama's taking a beating.
As you can tell, I had it put in some sound effects there, some fart noises there. Basically, I just really wanted to capture the scene, what it'd be like a bunch of guys sitting around watching college football, during December on a cold night. Got all the wings and nachos out, the TV's on, watching multiple games, and it's a blizzard going on outside. The lyrics, I couldn't have been happier with what I came up with, and then the music to match, and then boy, just the the video, the scenes, really liked how it came out. Really fit what I was going after. Gross.
Looking sweet. ESPN's rankings got us cussing and yelling. Playoff system broke, but the vibe's still swelling. Blizzard Bowl, yeah, we're living it right. College football fever on a cold December night. Hey, halftime. Get some beer if you're out there by the fridge. Hey, put on a Christmas tune.
All right, so I included in the song halfway through. You got a little break here, a little halftime breakdown. So that's what's going on here.
I could use another snack. How about some Chip Davis to go along with this red and green chips and salsa? And we're back for an exciting second half. Still snowing outside, we're stuck here, no path. Playoff committee's rigged with spitting our gripes. Rankings all wrong, man, they're killing our vibes. But the fire's roaring and the beer's ice cold. Blizzard Bowl crew, we're never growing old. 85 inches of gridiron glory. Each touchdown's a chapter in this holiday story. Raise a glass to the games, to the bets we've lost. In the Blizzard Bowl, man, we're living bros. Ha-ha, your team lost. Blizzard Bowl, let it snow, let it roll. Pass the cards, let the Stogies feel the soul. Yellow snow and sweet. ESPN's rankings got us buzzing in yellow.
All right.
Playoff systems, blizzard bubbles, the place where the good times.
So there you go. You get the gist of it. Hopefully you enjoyed that one. That was a lot of fun to do. I said, had to get to a mix of various types of songs on the album. So we got, a couple ballads in there, a couple traditional things, some whimsical kids, some funny stuff for kids on there, and then a couple little, one or two romantic ones, and then some Santa theme. We got some faith, some religious stuff on there, and then of course had to include a football song as well. All right, everyone. Hopefully you enjoyed that. I can't wait to get some more videos in. Light at the end of the tunnel as far as my crazy work schedule goes. I think might be able to do one late tonight when I get home, and then hopefully a few this weekend, and we can pick up again with our Christmas Carol series. All right, everyone. Go Sooners.